Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a black panther. So start making a tiny curve and come in. Then go down and come out. Then draw an oval shape and go up and do a curve, and go up and do a curve, and then connect it, and connect it on the other side. Then do a little mark and color it in. Now go down and do a little curve and go straight down and go down. And then start doing the paw. So do one line and then another. And then connect back in. Draw a line. And connect with another big bump. And do another thing like that. And come and connect back up there. Go down and then do another paw. And come back out, do a bump, and go straight down. And draw a wiggly line coming out. And do a curve and come all the way down. And then draw two lines. We need another paw. So do a line and come down and draw another paw. But we just forgot another thing, claws. So let's do 3 lines on each claw nail. The head doesn't look too good. So erase it. Do a line up. Do a line up and connect from there. And do it there. A little bit and add the ears. Keep on trying on the head. It'll come finally after you do a lot of detail. The head is really hard. So do a line down and then do a curve and come back. And then do a line down and come down and curve in. And then erase this line and draw the eyes. Now start drawing the nose by doing a triangle and cover it on the top. And draw that shape. And connect it. And draw the ears. Now to color our Black Panther, we'll need lots of detail. So get our purple and start shading in right here. in the stripes. And right here. And start coloring on the back. And go into the tail too. And then come back into the other leg. And color in the head from here. We haven't colored it fully. So now take your black and start coloring right down here on top of the purple. Don't worry if it gets colored up. We'll fix that later. And you can get another black. And go on top with another black. Go on the tail and everywhere. You can't really see all the legs, but we'll fix that later. It's going to take lots of time, but you can color it in. Don't color the head, but color the eyes in. And the ears. And the nose. And leave it from there. And keep on coloring. It looks like he has armored plating on his face. Perfect. And now get the gray and start coloring in his face. I got blue, but it's okay. Now take the same color and start coloring over. And now let's get our pink and color in the ears. Shade that off. We need more detail, so we might want to get one of these purples and start coloring in the nose. And then you can see it right there. And the eyes. See it? And you fixed it. And now we need something for the claws. So now we can get gray. I guess it's gray. I'm not sure this time either. It is. Phew. And now let's color in the claws. So we need hairs, so let's start doing some strokes from this. Or if you don't want hair, you don't have to do them. And that's it. Bye guys, subscribe to my channel.